This Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do we have a good one for you. I got a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS 396, numbers matching, with every option that you could get for a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, and it is loaded up. It is a very rare color Corvette bronze, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. Like I said, this car is finished with a 396, numbers matching, automatic transmission, 12-bolt. And it is Corvette bronze. Look at those hideaway headlights on this car right here. And absolutely gorgeous. And did I mention convertible top on this? It is a convertible. And really just stunning car right here. It's got the rallies on it, the flat caps. Really just absolutely one of a kind, gorgeous car. Like I said, this is loaded up with every option that you could get. It's got the air conditioning, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got all the gauges in the console. Absolutely gorgeous. And I love that white interior. Man, does it look good. Like I said, the gauges in the console, the radio. It's got the tack in the dash. We'll take a look at that when we get to the driver's side. But power top on this car. Does have a power top. But man, it looks great. Let me grab the keys real quick so we can take a look inside the trunk. Shut the door there. Door shut easy. All the doors, gaps look great. Open up the trunk here. Inside the trunk, it is finished with a splatter paint like it would have been out of the factory. Does have the shakers on both sides. Does have the dome caps if somebody would like to switch them back. I like the flat caps myself better, but everybody has their own taste and flavor, so they do go with the car. But inside the trunk looks great. It's got the sticker on the trunk lid. But I'm gonna shut the trunk here, and Dad's gonna start it up, and we'll see how it sounds. Man, it sounds good. Cut it off here. Said the interior's in excellent condition. Does have the factory tack in the dash, gauges in the console. Just absolutely one of a kind, gorgeous car right here. Shut the door's shut easy. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look here. I do have a lot of original paperwork that goes with the car. This is a little poster that was made for the car, but it's really cool. And it does have the original invoice with the car, a copy of it, and shows there it was paid for $4,000 new. I do have the protective plate as well. Now these are just pictures, but I do have the originals. I will post a picture on our website of them. But I'm going to move this back out of the way here. We'll keep taking a look at this car. Like I said, it is a numbers matching 396, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Just a absolutely gorgeous underneath the hood. Nothing better than a big block from Chevrolet. I'm going to shut the hood here. Oh, I'll show you the trim tag. look at that. But we'll take one more quick look here at the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. Numbers matching, 396. Just absolutely awesome convertible with the power top, loaded up every option you could get for a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com, and we do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible RS SS for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. I forgot to mention in the video, it does have a remote mirror on the driver's side. But I'm going to take this beautiful Camaro for a test drive. Perfect day to be driving classic cars here in Kentucky. Man, is it nice to have that top down with that wind blowing through our hair today. All right, here we go. Runs and drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent run and driving car. Car's geared right. Just a great car to get in and go cruising. We're going to turn around and head back here, and like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Camaro's made of. Got a little bit of traffic in front of us here, but as soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. I think they opened up the floodgates on us, but here we go. We're going to get on it just a little bit and see what this Camaro's made of. Just an awesome car. It's got excellent power. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to show you what this looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.